Hi there, it's George here and this is episode 3 in which I will show you my house plant tour in September 2022. My plants are doing okay and most of them growing outside. Still warm is good and I keep them outside, and some of those plants are a little bit yellow on the leaves because I forgot to water at the time because I have many plants, but anyway they are okay. And I'm gonna start with my Sakura trees, which I grow from seed. They are so beautiful looking and I've repotted them, and I'm thinking one of them like an experiment to let outside in winter time because they're resisting winter. So look at this close up. It is a beautiful Sakura tree and it grows new leaves. It's beautiful, just so happy to see them growing nice. And I have some videos when I tried to grow from seed, and about 6 videos, and I will let the playlist in the corner. They are looking beautiful. Look at this. Next I have there a sweet potato. I propagated the sweet potatoes as you can see here and put on the fence to grow, to climb, and it grew quite vigorously, and that is amazing. But the time will get cold and I will have to move these pots inside, but still I let outside to grow, and inside should grow that sweet potatoes, but let them grow more. And as you can see here, we can notice a watermelon growing, but random, just I used compost, and when I did make compost I throw away watermelon seedlings, another words, another stuff, and they germinated randomly. And look at the leaf close up, they are just brilliant. Next, here I have geraniums and they are in bloom now, very beautiful red color, and so happy, they are very beautiful, and the flowers will end soon, but anyway, so looking on the leaves, it was a rain and the leaves are wet, and these leaves are quite small, but I have to repot, the pot is too small too, so maybe I will see when I will do repotting, but they are beautiful. This one is a tangerine tree and it is very beautiful. I have it since 28 and some leaves are yellow, but it's okay. Maybe in the pot it is a root bone and I have to change the soil, and then the tree it will have nutrients and will grow new fresh leaves, but it have quite many leaves, green and healthy. It have many branches and waiting for some flowers and fruits, but if doesn't have nutrients, then have to add soil, new soil. And here look at the pseudostem, is quite thick, as you can see, very nice. Look at the stem close up, many years did grow that. This plant in Romanian I call it Indian onion, but the name in English I will write on the video. So this plant is beautiful and growing nice, and it's very medicinal, but at the same time it's toxic as well, so we cannot eat it. And now we can look at that onion close up. Next there I have Ficus elastica, and we can notice new red grow, as you can see, and as well grow on some branches, but I decided to propagate it. Well, no, maybe I will wait to spring and then I'm gonna propagate this beautiful ficus. And look at the leaf with drops of water, looking amazing. And from there I have to cut these cuttings and have to propagate in the springtime, or maybe in February, I will see. Have to wait. Another plant which I have, this is pepper in the pot. I have so many peppers, I don't eat them, but I grow like decorative plant. And this plant I have more than I have. That's it. It is beautiful. And as you can see here, one getting ripe and one is ripe in total. As well some flowers here, at the same time it blooming and produce peppers, and another 2 flowers here. So it is a beautiful plant for me, but I have to grow from seed again to propagate. This is Kiwi Actinidia Alguta, and I grow it directly into the ground and survives the winter, and so happy about that. This year didn't grow so much, but we'll see. And this plant enjoys the rain, as I can notice, and I put this branch here to grow cream here, as you can see. So we'll see next year how it will be looking. This branch did grow this year, and soon it have to lose its leaves, but anyway. Next I have here near the bamboo plant a Cana indica plant in bloom, and they are growing beautiful together, and yeah, look at close up on the flowers, really beautiful. Here a passion fruit plant that I moved the place to another bright place. Here I put it and will start to grow more leaves, but it grows some leaves during this period of summer, and so happy about that. And the pot I think is quite small already for this plant, but anyway, maybe I will repot it. As well, I have a spider plant here and growing beautiful. It grow many leaves on this beauty, and also it have a flower bud, and the flowers are so tiny, but look at those flowers, I cannot focus. And this is the mother plant and looking not so good. It's like old and the leaves drying. Anyway, and here it's babies and I have to propagate. Then I will have fresh plants again. And this is my lemon tree. It is beautiful but something missing. For example, we can notice on a branch something is not okay with this branch, but anyway. And it have some fruits. They lose the fruits when it was in bloom. After that they grow a little bit of fruit, then fall, you know. But something missing I think, and we will see. Next plant is a young tangerine tree, and this have so tiny leaves, or maybe that the pot is too small and I have to repot. But when I repotted in this pot, it had such leaves too, such small leaves. But anyway, maybe that's it, this variety. It's a variety with small leaves. Someone gifted to me this beautiful tangerine tree. And this is a lemon tree which I grow from seed, and I forgot to water at the time, and now it has some yellow leaves, but these yellow leaves, with the time they will fall off and will grow another leaves, fresh and green. But I think it's a root bond too, and have to check the root system and repot. But here in this pot germinated randomly oranges or tangerine trees, I don't know exactly, but they are so healthy and growing beautiful together. They are about 5 or 6 seedlings here growing nice, as you can see. And these are Barberia. They like to grow together, and there are so many, and some leaves are yellow or sunny, they get burn, or you know, we'll see. But when I move these plants inside, these leaves will dry and I'm gonna remove. And in February blooming so beautiful, and I shot some videos when it was bloom this plant, you know. Maybe I will include the link in description. and if you want, can watch. And I propagated one of these beauties of Barberia, and it's looking beautiful, so beautiful. This one I have to give to my grandmother, and she will enjoy. And next, this is Nematanthus plants. I have a few for pots here, and it have flower buds. And do you remember when I propagated them, I did made video? So here is an update. They are looking just lush, and I keep them outside still, but and look at the flowers close up. Beautiful. And then will get colder, and I think I will move inside these beautiful plants. Have to move such many plants inside. In October I will do that. Here are one of my hibiscus plants, and look at this beauty. On each branch have flower buds. As you can see, how beautiful, and in such small pot growing, and I have to water every day, be very lush, and have these beautiful blooms, and add fertilizer, I mean organic. In my case I can add compost, a layer of compost in the pot, and will got this plant nutrients it needs, and will bloom, will keep the flowers. Next plant is this, which is called Kalisa Fragrance. And in the first episode I did show you inside growing as well these beautiful plants, but two of them they growing outside, and look at those. This stuff I cleaned on the fence, and one of them they don't like direct sunlight, and as you can see the color on the leaves. And the next are Kala plants, and they are looking beautiful and enjoying the rain, and growing a new leaf here. Beautiful, and let me show you close up. Beautiful leaf with drops of water, and when I will move these plants inside, I think they will bloom, and I'm gonna make special video of the blooms, and the second one, as you can see, close up as well and growing a new leaf. Awesome! Here I have Physalis, many plants together, and I germinated them too late, and in the ground I'm gonna not put this cell, but in the springtime I'm gonna put, and I will have my own production of Physalis. They are in flower buds, as you can see, so they will grow inside up to springtime, and hope they will resist inside during the winter time. Next I have California poppy seedlings, which I germinated from a friend. He sent seeds from California. His name is Todd, and in the pot I noticed that they don't like, and I will have to try again direct in the ground next year. So I have still many seeds, and I will try again, and then if I will do with success, will collect the seeds, and when will bloom, they will bloom and produce seeds. But in the pot, or maybe the pot is too small, have to wait. And the last plant which I have, and it's without leaves and remained only one leaf. This plant was in direct sunlight, and I should move it in the shade, that's it, and now it is in the shade and waiting for new leaves. This plant is a palm tree that growing in apartments, that's it. Well, hope you enjoyed the video of part 3 of my plants collection, and that's it. In the next week I will show you episode 4, which will be succulent and cacti plant collection. So looking forward to that. Thanks for watching to the end, that really means a lot for my channel, and if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel as well. Link is in the corner and in description. And have an amazing day. Bye bye.